Welcome back to our email in the workplace pre-work overview of the course. We're going to look at Module 2. So I am in the student view. So this is what it would look like for any of the students. So this says it's a short quiz. It's only 4 questions. It says, what do you know about email in the workplace? Take the short quiz to find out how knowledgeable you are about workplace email. So let's take the quiz. Question 1. Is it professional to use text speak in company emails? I'm going to answer no. Question 2. What is the purpose of an email signature? To share your favorite inspirational quote, to show off your credentials, to share your contact information, or there is no purpose, I don't use one. Let's say to share our contact information. Question 3, what is an option to use when you have multiple attachments? Now this one, I said you can choose all that apply. Compress them into a zipped file, provide link to shared file, don't attach them, make the recipient ask you for them, or attach them all separately. So I'm going to say these are the 2 best options. We'll go to the next question. On average, what is the most reported pet peeve of email users? So this was something that I discovered when I was doing research on best practice, and I do know that it is reply all. The other options were having no subject, message typed in all caps, too many exclamation points. All of these were reported pet peeves, but the most reported was reply all. Then we'll submit our quiz. And you can see that it gives you right here that your score right away, and then you can look at each individual question and see what you got. So that is Module 2. It's taking your quiz, and there are unlimited attempts. They can take it again, and it will keep their highest score if they would like to spend more time on that. So in our next video, we will explore Module 3.